drawing challenge. So how this works is we'll be having 3 glues and stuff in front of us, and we'll do rock, paper, scissors to see who picks first, and we gotta pick the exact same thing the other chose. And we're 2 years and 3 days apart, so pretty close. So I think we can do this.
I don't think it's the age, I think it's the smarts.
Okay, well, let's start with round 1.
We're gonna rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I beat you.
I think I wanted to pick that one.
I think I want to pick this one, but yeah, I'm gonna pick this one.
I don't think he's gonna choose this one, and I don't think he would want this one. I'm not sure, so I might just have to think he's gonna go with that one.
Oh my gosh!
I don't think he'd pick either of these because those would just take over his ones. I'm scared. I don't know if I got this right. I really don't know. Like, I don't think he would want this one, but I don't know. This one, I don't think he would choose either way.
Oh.
This color is so pretty.
Oopsies.
So much glitter in these. I can see through my bottle, so that means so much bumpy. So hard not saying the color.
I definitely picked a good glue.
Same.
Round 2.
Okay, this time I get to choose. I'm not going to choose this one because it would just, you know. This one is an option, so is this one. I think I'm going to choose this one.
I have a feeling that she picked these 2, but I don't know which one. I got this one.
I hope we're doing good, guys. Comment down below. Looks so satisfying. Darn, I was gonna say something, but it would involve something, so I can't say nothing.
Ain't saying muffin.
Muffins.
But my turn.
Round 3.
But I think I'm gonna pick. I think she's gonna expect this.
Okay, I don't think he's gonna pick this one because this would just, you know. So I'm not gonna pick. This is like a color I think he might choose. So I'm gonna go with this one. I think this is one he would choose.
I don't like this kid.
He did just say I think he would think I would pick this one. I don't know, I'm just gonna add this.
That's with my toy.
What do you keep saying that? Ooh, this is actually a cool color.
Actually? Wait, like, actually? What you doing over there?
I don't know, I can't see what you doing.
Howdy, neighbor.
Anyone there?
How you doing?
Imagine she left this on video.
I'm doing great.
How about
round 4?
This time we have pigment, and I already know what I'm gonna choose.
I already know what I think she's gonna choose.
I think he's gonna think I chose this one instead of this, but you know.
It is a beautiful, beautiful thing. Wow.
I don't know. I mean, it's a cool color. I mean, I don't know. And Keegan gets to choose. I would choose this one. Did you pick?
Yeah.
Okay, I think the theme he has going on, this one, might fit it. But he might also be tricking me, so I'm gonna go with this one.
This one's definitely my favorite.
I hope I got this right, guys. I don't know. This round was hard, because I don't know what he's going for.
Our final round.
And you gotta choose one of these glitters. And it's my turn to choose. So I wanna add that.
She's definitely, I think, gonna pick. Okay, guys, I'm gonna pick this one.
I'm scared. I think he probably didn't get that one, but
This clay looks amazing.
Yeah,
Now we're gonna activate.
I think this color is actually really cool, guys. I hope it's
Same. Let's get this thing out of here. I gotta hide that so she.
Imagine we got it like opposite. That would just be terrible. 2 years is a pretty long time, but we're kind of close. I mean, some people are probably like 5 years.
Anyone want a high five?
I don't know. Do you want help me?
I need. Oh,
That's probably good for this situation. I want to see his situation that's going on because I think he's having a situation because I'm hearing oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no.
no. I have an outstanding color.
I wish I could have picked everyone. He had to guess what I was going to pick because that'd be fun. Mine's almost activated. Fox to my tortoise. Oopsie burned. You got that, Fox? Stuck on your head. That thing.
Let's get the rest of this out of here.
I don't even know what to do with this
And-
anymore.
Boom. Ooh. I think I know what color this is gonna turn.
Mine already turned the color. I just haven't mixed in all the clay. I'm almost ready.
Well, that's the wrong activator. I'm smart.
I wish I could have saw that. But I can't because there's a wall in between us.
Oh my gosh, I need to move that. I'm just gonna. Yay. Oh no.
You're gonna what? Oh, wrong activator. I'm smart too. Huge chunk of clay. Gotta mix it in. Gotta mix
Just
it
stop
in.
it. Stop it.
Comment down below who's you like so far. I think I'm winning, I hope. 'Cause I don't know what this looks like. I'm kind of liking this slime, actually. I mean, I didn't think I was, but now I am.
Same.
You didn't like yours, and now you do?
No, I've loved mine from the beginning.
That's not good.
Unlike somebody.
That's not good. That's not a good sign. That he likes his and I don't.
No, activator.
Mine's actually a really cool color. I've never,
So guys, do you guys think you have the same slime?
No.
No.
I don't think so, but I hope so. Because I think I got maybe one of the rounds wrong.
I just really wanted to.
I'm gonna see.
I need to finish activating, so hold on.
Okay! We're gonna go and try to find the other person's slime. Not find it. We're gonna see it. 3, 2, 1. What?
What ingredients did you use?
I started off with purple. I don't know
Me
how I
too.
got this.
I started off with purple too.
Okay,
And then what did you use?
then I used, what other glues were there?
There was clear, and there was that
Pink and yellow.
neon and yellow. Then I picked the clear.
I picked the clear.
And
Okay.
then for the coloring, I picked red.
I picked red.
And then for the clay, I picked yellow.
I picked yellow. For pigment, I picked white.
Oh, for pigment, I picked that brownish red.
No! And for glitter, I picked pink.
I picked orange.
Look at my color though.
But look at this. When you stretch it, it looks like noodles.
Yours looks like guts.
Mine looks like soup.
I was gonna say mine did, but yours looks like we're like twins from different years. Like, I don't know if that makes sense. We got 2 wrong, and that's how many years we're apart, so you know, that's kind
What a
of
coincidence.
What a quinkadink.
What a coincidence.
I wanna feel your texture. Try feeling mine. Mine's a lot different.
It's definitely great.
Only if that pigment. I would have been happy if we got the same pigment. But,
Of course, we don't.
yeah. Well, bye, Slime Squad. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and comment down below who you like better. And if you guys have ever tried this challenge, and if you guys are friends. Bye. Slime
That was a
Squad.
lot to handle.
Yeah, if you got that, you know, comment.
If you got that, hit that subscribe button.
Bye.